What's going on? I'm back with another backtesting session on FX Replay. Um, I'm doing the second half of August right now because the FX Replay subscription I bought only allows me to have five backtesting sessions, and I already hit that limit, and I was only halfway through August, so I decided, okay, I bet I'll just finish August for the video. So yeah, right now it is market open on Friday. We just swept hourly sell side, and we have an hourly unfilled gap above. So I'm thinking I might take a long here. Boom. I'll go for a 1-to-1 probably. Okay. Okay. I'll move my stop loss break even here. Nice. Okay, so confluences for this trade. We swept this hourly sell side to the left. We have the drawn liquidity as this unfilled hourly gap that we were trading up into. And then we had a 2-minute inverse. We inverse this 2-minute with a strong close above, and we also had this 1-minute inverse, and just good momentum up after sweeping this internal sell side as well. So yeah, pretty good trade. Let's go to the next session. Okay, this is Monday. Okay. So it looks like we're having some bullish candles. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we tapped this hourly gap. Let's see if we get a potential long off it. We have unfilled 15-minute here. Not really any crazy buy side, so not really any reason to be bullish yet. Okay, 9:30 open. Okay, so the 4-hour. We have this unfilled 4-hour above after filling this one. We have we're reacting off of this bullish gap. We're inside both these 15 minutes. Okay, so yeah, I'm just not going to take any longs right now. They're just not obvious enough. Okay, looks like we're just going to pump. That's fine. There's no reason to really be bullish there. Okay, we tap this unfilled 4-hour. Looks like we're pumping. Okay, so we have a really bullish hourly candle, so my drawn liquidity is going to be this hourly high right here. Do we inverse the 4-hour? Okay, we inverse both these 4 hours, which is the most bullish thing I've seen all day. We're trading inside this 5-minute. Okay. Okay, I guess we're going down now. Not really sure why. Okay, well, it's about to be 11, so next trading day. Okay, yeah, we did end up pumping, it looks like. Hopefully we did not hit both these hourly draws. Oh yeah, we definitely did. Wow, what the hell? Is this Monday? No, it's Tuesday. Okay, so we have this 4-hour high. these hourly high as well. So looking bullish. Looking bullish just based on this bullish uptrend we're in right now. So we tapped this 15 minute. We tapped this hourly as well. So hopefully we could get an entry for long. I'm not seeing any right now, but I have a feeling we're gonna pump right now. Okay, maybe not. 9:30 dumps. Okay, 9:30 is still dumping, so we could just be, okay, let me check that time frame. Okay, so bullish 4-hour close, making this order block on the 4-hour. We have, I'd call these relative equal highs because they're pretty relative. So yeah, and then we tap this 4-hour gap. So yeah, a long off this 4-hour gap, targeting these highs would be the best play, easily. So yeah, I'm still bullish here. I have an unfilled 5-minute here. We're also inside this unfilled 5-minute. So I'm not gonna take this 1-minute inverse, but I'm gonna say a scenario where I would. I'd say a scenario where I would take this 1-minute inverse is if there's like an unfilled 5-minute, like right here. If right there we were about to open up an unfilled 5-minute, I'd probably take this targeting it, but we're not, so I'm not gonna take that. There is an unfold 3-minute though, so this might play out to it. Yeah, it did. Wow. Me and the devil. What time is it? 9:47. Is there any? Okay, so this 5-minute could be a possible entry. 2-minute, I guess. What was the 3-minute like? Okay. Okay, nothing yet. Looks like we're just going down. Okay, so we got an inverse there. Let's see if it's good. Okay, so we have an unfilled 4-hour that we didn't tap yet. We filled this hourly. We have an unfilled 15-minute right here. And we're inside of so the only long I'd take is if we inverse this 5-minute, since there's an unfilled 4-hour below still. Okay, did we inverse it here? We did not. Hopefully this candle goes down. I really want to go down. Okay, bet. Okay, so what time is it actually? Let me check the 1-minute. It is 10:14. Okay. So yeah, I think I'll take this. We filled this hourly gap and reacted off it, and we have an unfilled 15-minute right there, and we have a 5-minute inverse targeting it. This risk reward's not really worth it right now though, so I'll see if we get a retrace. Okay, so we do get a retrace. Did we leave equal highs? We left these relative equal highs. Okay. The thing that's scaring me is this unfilled 4-hour gap. Okay, we unfill 15-minute right there. 5-minute inverse. I'm going to take this stop loss 1-to-1. Did that. Did that just not hit my take profit? Okay, I guess I gotta hold this. I'm moving break even though, but are we dead serious? Did we tap the 15-minute? Wow, we did. Okay, well, that counts as a win. I don't care. That counts as a win. I was just stupid with my take profit placement. Could this be another entry? So we filled this 4 hour finally. Tap this 1 hour. Tap this 15-minute. We have an unfold 5-minute here. I'm not, but wow. Slow key doesn't look like a bad trade. React off a 5-minute with a 3-minute. Did we inverse this 3-minute? We inverse this 3-minute. I might take this. I think we did. I'm gonna take this as well. What time is it? Okay. It's 11:12, so I'm actually not gonna take it. Wow. That's why you just gotta stay disciplined. This one should work. Okay, or not. Okay, wow. Well, that's why you stay disciplined. I was really almost about to take a loss here for no reason. Like, I'm profitable. Me would have easily taken that trade and be like, bro, how'd this lose? Yeah, I'm still unprofitable, but I'm making my way up. Okay, so if we inverse this hourly, I'm definitely bearish to these hourly lows. These like equal lows, they're like relative equal lows. Okay, bet. Okay. Might just be bullish. Okay, 9:30 open. Let's see what's going on. So we end up respecting this, and now we're in another hourly gap. Where's London at? So do we have London highs? We have London highs up here. Okay, so we pretty much equal lows. So I'm looking more bearish than anything right now. But let's see. Okay, we may be reacting off this hourly gap. Okay. So we have a 1-minute inverse entry. What time is it? 9:39. Is there any unfilled gaps? Unfilled 5-minute. We already tapped this unfilled 15. And we're reacting off these hourlies and this 15-minute. I don't think this would be a bad take necessarily. I'll wait. Okay, yeah. So here, I just didn't have enough confirmation that we were bearish. So that's why I was looking for like an unfilled 15 or unfilled 5 minute, like right here maybe, because that'd be a reason to go lower, but there's just not really, I didn't really see a reason to go lower there. Okay, so the draw on liquidity is looking like this high right here, so let's see. Hopefully we, actually, you know what? 947. You know what? I'm might try this out. Actually, is this crazy? I'm gonna just forward test this. Okay, here I'll take this for a winning day actually. Okay, well, I'm going for another winning day. Okay, nice. I had to make back that loss, man. I really just had to. Okay, so we have this end log. This is a new day opening gap. Wow. I mean, we have relative equal highs, but this new day opening gap has a stronger draw on liquidity. So we got sort of relative equal lows here as well. So let's see if we could get a short. Okay. Well, I guess we're just. Is that 8:30 news? Possibly. Oh, oopsie daisy. Okay, so we tap this 5 minute. I mean, not 5 minute, 15 minute. We got a 2 minute inverse, it looks like. I'm gonna stay out. So we have a 5 minute inverse. You have an hourly inverse as well. Okay, the draw is just so obviously bearish. I'm gonna take this momentum play right here. Yeah, I'll use good RR to make up for the breaking my rules. So I'll risk like I was wrong 1%. Bet. What risk to reward is this? 1.6. Nice. So this is more of a discretion play. I'm trying to get better at these discretion type plays where the draw is just obvious. So right here, not only did we have an obvious draw, which was this new day opening gap, which is just always a really good draw on liquidity, we had an hourly inverse. Let me draw this out. We inverse this hourly gap, targeting it, which is like the perfect combination when you have an hourly inverse and most obvious draw on liquidity ever. So, and then did we fill this 15 minute? We reacted off this 15 minute displaced down with this candle, got a retrace up, then boom, move back down with momentum, which is the entry. So yeah, we are $70 away from hitting 53K. Nice. Okay, let's check the 4 hour. Let's check the 4 hour. So, I mean, we're in a bearish downtrend right now. Or we just displace bearish with all these candles. So, yeah, we inverse these hourlies to the left, and we're inside this hourly gap, and we have relative equal lows on the hourly. So ideally, we react off this hourly gap and get a short. That would be the best case scenario, easily. Hopefully we don't displace any higher. Okay, so we're still in this hourly gap. We're still in this 15-minute. We have London lows down here as well as some low resistance liquidity. So yeah, short right now would be beautiful. What time is it? 9:31. Okay. All I need is like any sort of bearish confluence, and I'm taking a short. It looks like we might be bearish, honestly. I mean, not bearish, bullish. Just okay. So we had 10 a.m. news. I really wish I could see the 30-second. Okay, so did we close bullish on the hourly here? So we inverse this hourly gap, but just not that bearish. So we might want this unfilled hourly. We tapped this 15 minutes. So yeah, my bias is low-key more bullish now. But we have this data low here, so okay. If there's a 30-second in here targeting this data low, I would have 120% taken it, by the way. So yeah. Okay, so we have a 5-minute. There's not really any clean for value gaps here. Okay, so it's possible my bias actually was right. Holy freaking cannoli. Now that is some momentum. Okay. So now that we tapped this hourly gap, we 100% went lower, like 110% went lower. I wish I could look at the 4 hour. Okay, so boom. Is there any sort of fair value gap to enter? This 3-minute is a dime. If we close this 3-minute, this is an absolute gem. 10:20. I don't know if we close 3-minute. Okay, we closed 3-minute. Bet I'm in. I'm in. Like I am. Like I'm swimming. That made no sense, but yeah. I was supposed to stop up here, I guess. Okay. I'm risking 1.5. How do I go? 1.5, 1.5. Or no, not 1.5, 1.2. 1.2. Okay, bet. Okay, so I could move break even here. I wish I got a better fill on this, but let's just see. Do we add to this trendline liquidity? Okay, we did just add to this trendline liquidity, so I'm still expecting it to get ran. Okay, Okay, nice. What restores this 1.6? Since we just moved the crap ton, I'll just scale 75. Since how much we just moved. And I'll probably trail stop a little. Okay, well that is gorgeous, man. That is such a gorgeous trade, man. Wow. This actually brings a tear to my eye how gorgeous this trade was. And now we're at 53.6K on the account balance. Let's go. So, confluences for the trade. I'm just going to go over this trade again. Pretty much, for drawing liquidity on the hourly, we had relative equal lows on this hourly, which is pretty good drawing liquidity. We also displaced down right here, inversing these two gaps, which is a pretty bearish sign. And then we went up. We tapped this hourly bearish FEG, and then instantly in one candle inverse this 3-minute gap, targeting London lows right here as well as those relative equal lows. And we also had trendline liquidity. Built up here. Just here, yeah. So yeah, tons of drawing liquidities. Just very bearish. Just overall perfect trade. I'd love to see that. It's August. Okay, it's the 28th, so we're almost done here. Okay, so we got some pretty good sell side. I wonder if we end up pinning it. Let me check the hourly. Yeah, look at this. So we went down, swept these relative equals, and then now we want to go higher. So it looks like we're looking bullish, but there's nothing to target bullish wise. So this is kind of a little bit of a predicament we're in here. Okay, 930, 100% just open. Okay, so we're inside this hourly bearish gap. Okay, so we could get a retrace into this unfilled hourly with all this sell side and London lows down here and relative equal lows, yeah. So that'd probably be the best play here. Did we inverse this 5-minute? No, we didn't. Okay, bet. Okay, so this could possibly be play. So we are inside this big bearish BPR. Did we hit 0.5 range? I like never look at this, but for some reason I want to look at this right now for like an extra confluence. So draw the GAN box from here to down here. Then look, we respect the 0.5 of the range. Do we have any unfilled gaps? We have a 15-minute unfilled right here. 15-minute unfilled. We're inside a 15-minute though. We have a 5-minute. Waiting for this 5-minute would be the safest option here. But I might just take this 1 minute, honestly. Okay, so I'm gonna take this 1 minute, move stop break even at this blue line. So yeah, let me quadruple check all my confluences. React off bearish for value gap inside of 15 minute. You know what? I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute to close. If we get this 5-minute closed, actually, did we get the? No, we didn't. Okay. Okay, do we close the 5-minute here? Okay, so we did close the 5-minute here. So I'll take this. Okay, where should my stop loss go? I mean, realistically, we shouldn't go. We shouldn't go up here if this trade works. So yeah. Okay. So I could move break even. Honestly, this is one of like the discretion calls that's hard. I mean, it's not like that hard to make, but like this is one of the discretion plays I have to like decide on every day, like whether or not it's a good place to move break even. It's honestly tough. I mean, we just should not react bullishly off this if we're bearish realistically. So okay, hit break even. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so even if I move break even down here, I still would have got break even. But I'm still bearish. We have another bearish entry here. What time is it? 10:17. Okay, let me see if there's any extra confluences. This 15-minute looks pretty bullish. I guess we do have some trend line liquidity there. I'm gonna not take this. Alright, so pretty much gray bias. Honestly, just like a bad price action day. This bias was good. It looks like. Let's see if we end up hitting it. There's no way we just reverse here. There's no way we just reverse there. Okay, for the most part, bias was right. So whatever. August 29th. Let's see if we could catch one more win before the month is over. Okay, so we still have all this sell side liquidity over here. Ideally, we inverse this hourly and then get a short. It looks like that's what's gonna happen too. Wait, I might be able to get a pre-market entry here. Okay, and I'm not gonna take this, but okay, my guess is we dump here. If I'm being honest with you, I almost like this. So confluence is downtrend right here. We inverse this 15-minute gap right here. Inverse that. Okay, we respected this hourly. We're reacting off this 5-minute gap. We have all this sell side down here. And then we also have this trend line break, this trend line that we just broke out of right here with this candle, as well as inverse the downside. I'd love to take this, but I'm just gonna not, because realistically in lifetime I would just never take this. Okay, yeah, gonna save me, but okay. So this looks like another good entry. This looks like a dime of an entry. like pre-market, I just don't think I would take this either, but like this is so tempting to take. Okay, wow, I got saved again. Unless I guess both of those would have been break even, but yeah. Okay, 9:30 open. Let's see. Okay, we're sweeping some buy side. Swept buy side. Let's see if we want to see shorts now. Okay. So we swept this hourly high, react on this hourly gap. Inside this big 15-minute gap, sweeping this buy side. 5 minute close, pretty bullish. I can't lie to you. We have this 3 minute. So yeah, I'm not gonna take this. Let's see if we could get. Okay, we might just be bullish. I'm gonna forward test this. Okay, bet. At least I won. At least I won on a forward test. Dang, we're really just bullish, huh? I mean, we might be bearish now. Okay, I guess not. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna just go to the next day probably. Unless today's Friday. Okay, that's not. Okay, so we left these like equal lows pretty much. So this is kind of bearish. This is looking kind of bearish. Okay, so we're in an hourly gap right now. Holy crap, we pumped. Okay. So we're in this hourly gap. Let's see if we react off it. Okay. Okay, I'm just not going to take it this 3 minute anymore since we're just chopping around. Ugh. This 9:30? 9:33. Okay. So reacting, we tapped this hourly gap as well. And we have an unfilled hourly below. Okay, bet. Okay, bet. Okay, bet. We have a little bit of trend line liquidity there. I just wish there's a cleaner fair value gap. Is this a fair value gap? No, it's not. Okay. This is pretty tempting to take off this momentum, but I won't. Nice, dude. Okay, can we get a retrace before we dump down retrace? Okay, I mean, we got a retrace, but... Oh, okay. Oh. Are we just... What is this, dude? Okay, this is the worst price action I've seen since 06. Okay, we're just bullish once again, man. Hold the phone. Wait, did we just get a play? Four, 4-2 is a bearish fair value gap that we just tapped. Okay, good to know. And then we have an unfilled 15-minute right here. Okay. Okay, I low-key missed the trade. I can't even lie to you. the trade was this 3 minute, but I sort of was fast forwarding too quick. So what I could do is wait for a retrace or try to catch a 1-to-1. Nah, we're definitely just gonna dump to it, but I'll try to wait for a retrace. Dang man, that's unfortunate. This would have been the trade. 3 minute inverse reacting off the hourly gap, targeting this unfilled 15-minute gap, but I just fast forward way too quickly, man. That's annoying. Okay, wait, hold the phone. Did I just miss another trade? Okay, wait, it's 5 minute. Wait, we're about to get a 5 minute inverse. Hold on now. Okay, we just got it at 10:24. So let me look at the high time frame real quick. Set this hourly high, react on this hourly gap. We have unfilled hourly below. This London low. We have London low, relative equal lows with London low. Relative equal lows here, I guess. I mean, I gotta take this. I gotta end off on a win. Man, this isn't bad either. Okay, this is negative RR. Should I just move my stop below? I'll go for a 1-to-1. Okay, I'm going for a 1-to-1 chat. 1-to-1 to end it off. 1-to-1 to end it off. To end off on a banger. Okay, we swept these lows. Okay, we made pretty much equal lows. These are equal lows. These are equal lows, so I'm not gonna take this. I'll move break even once you hit those. Okay, bet we hit those. Do I scale? I'm gonna scale a little just so it could be a win. Okay, we're break even. Oh, I scaled, so it's a win. And let me see. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna go up. Okay, so I guess that was a good place to scale. I honestly could have scaled 50%, but yeah, for that trade, we swept the hourly high, reacted off the hourly gap with a really bearish reaction. I mean, I was trying to target these relative equal lows, and we also had some relative equal lows here, and this trendline liquidity here. But this 5 minute inverse with really good momentum was probably the main reason for it. So yeah, we went undefeated second half of August. So that's nice. And yeah, you can let me know if you have any questions on my model. And my model is the inverse for value gap. So if I think I took 1 or 2 trades where I enter off like momentum. I don't enter off that live time, but like I just like to back test that because I feel like I could be more discretional in my trading and just whenever there's an obvious strong liquidity, enter off momentum more. But yeah, that's sort of something I was just testing out in this backtest session. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions below. And yeah, that's about it. Peace out.